Cooper's yellow couch has landed in the beautiful Lachlan Valley, just near Cowra. We're at Peter Boyd's place, Conimbla. Pete, thanks very much for having us.
It's a pleasure.
Tell us a little bit about your operation here, because it's pretty impressive.
We've got irrigated lucerne. We'd have 600 acres of that, which we'd cut 5 to 6 times. That's mainly for the horse market. We have a feedlot on the property as well. We'd turn over 5 to 10,000 lambs. We also have a metal workshop on our farm as well, which I have 20 staff in that workshop, and last year we made 5,000 feeders, which went from middle of Queensland right as far as the Nullarbor.
And are you finding more and more people in your industry are looking for this grain finishing alternative?
Yeah, I think that's probably the way it's going to go, because land prices are getting dearer. So we're looking for more efficiencies with what we can do with our farm. One thing a drought will do is give farmers more confidence in how to feed grain, and once they get that confidence, then it becomes a natural process of their production then.
Now, when you move into sort of more intensification, what sort of challenges does that throw up for a sheep producer like you?
A lot of challenges. Animal health and disease are big ones. So you've just got to make sure all your vaccines, your drench, you've got to build up your antibodies as well, immune system. That's probably the hardest part to learn from grass to grain.
How much of an impact were those clostridial diseases on your flock?
A big impact. I would say if I didn't vaccinate, I'd probably lose 20% from basically mainly pulpy kidney. There are other ones in there as well.
And in what situations would you be using 8-in-1?
I'd use an 8-in-1 on pastures, lucerne, green pastures, winter crops. Anything with a high protein or high nitrates will cause a pulpy kidney also.
And what would be appropriate for using 5-in-1?
5-in-1's fine for a feedlot situation. You don't need those extra clostridials in there for a feedlot, because it's just more a dry feed.
When did you start using Cooper's Tasvax 8-in-1?
I'd say about 5 years ago. Wouldn't consider anything else now.
What's the mortality really come down to by using 8-in-1?
We're literally not getting any deaths at all from clostridial diseases.
So that's a spectacular result as far as you're concerned. What are they worth each, as a rough guide?
Well, $220 to $40, yeah.
It sounds like you're pretty well sold on it. You'll be continuing to use Tasvax 8-in-1?
Yeah, definitely, yep. I've been sold on it for about 4 years, and I've been doing it for 5. So.
And what do you say to people who were in the same situation you were and weighing up the vaccination options?
I'd just say to them, trial what you're currently using and try Tasvax 8 and see if you can see the difference, and I'd be surprised if there's no difference. I'm sure you will see more deaths in another vaccine.
Peter, thanks very much for having us here at Conimbla. It's a beautiful part of the world. Join us next time when the Cooper's couch lands on a property near you. A chance for us to have a chat about the difference Cooper's animal health products can have at your place.